Today let's introduce AP-DJ27 series remote control operation instruction. Product grounding operation instruction. National standard power cord. Power cable. Power adapter. Bracket. Remote control. Required to unlock before adjusting the operation parameters. Any key is pressed to continue delay for 30s. If not, it will be exited and locked. After powering on, press the stop button, no high voltage output. Press the run key again and the device will start working. Press the key to clean the needle once. Cleaning function is enabled by default. Press CTTH first, then plus or, to increase or decrease the cleaning cycle. The minimum adjustment unit is 1 hour. The cleaning cycle adjustment ranges from 1 to 24 hours, default is 4 hours. Countdown is 0 hours, device is cleaned automatically and the product indicator light is blinking blue. Cleaning time is 15s, then green light is on and the cleaning cycle is resumed. Press CFM first, then plus or minus, air volume 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 from large to small. Press PWM first, then plus or minus to increase or decrease the positive high voltage output duty cycle. After adjusting the output parameters, press CAL, then OK to confirm. Restore factory default settings, 8 hours press CAL first, then reset key. Thanks for watching, welcome to visit our website for more information.